Yes, I really would, but the din in my head, it's too much and it's no good. Standing in a windy tunnel, shouting through the roar, trying to get the information asking for. The blood makes noise. It's ringing in my ear. Blood makes noise. I can really hear you in the thick of your fear. Well, there's something in my blood denies the memory of the act, so just forget it. Doctor, think it's really cool that you're concerned. We'll have to try again after the silence has returned. This blood makes noise.